Okay, time to add some color to our logo. The first thing we will do is to create a new layer, and then we will copy the entire logo from layer 2. From layer 2, we will copy only the logo, without the text. Edit, copy. On layer 3 we will add our copy. Edit, paste in place, and we'll lock layer 2 and make it invisible. The first thing we're going to do is connect these lines. And we can do that by simply drawing a line. Like this. Once we've done that, we're going to add another line at the bottom of this logo. Using the pen tool, we find the boundary line, click, hold Shift, drag, and we've added another line. We select everything, and then with the help of the shape builder we simply separate all these elements. It is enough that, while everything is selected, we just drag in this part, drag in this part, drag in this part, in this, and in this part. Once we've done that, we'll remove the unnecessary lines. Now you can see that we have separate objects that are closed, and that we can color. Let's say we want this background to be a soft blue color that will represent the sky. We can go to the window drop-down menu, the Swatches tab, and choose a light blue color. Maybe even lighter than this. By double-clicking on this square, fill, we simply drag this slider to a lighter shade. We will color the background behind this object in some green, and a light green color. We can color it even lighter in the same way. And then we can color these remaining objects in some shade of gray. Here we notice that we have a duplicate object. We will delete it, and return this to its place. After we have done this, we no longer need the outline, since we have it on layer 2. We select Stroke, and select None. Now that we've done all that, we can move these colors around a little bit, and we're going to do that by, for example, using direct selection. Select this anchor, and this anchor, drop down a little bit. Then select this anchor, and drag it a little bit to the right. We will do the same with this hill. And we pick these two anchors, drag them. And then we can do the same with these two anchors, just move them a little, to get a more interesting concept. Of course, this is all arbitrary, you can play with this as much as you want. Once we've done all that, we could fix this up a bit here, like this. And when we've done all that, we can group it all together. Turn on layer 2, and drop layer 3 below layer 2. In this way, we can now refine this a little more clearly, let's say like this. We can add the sun in the background by drawing a circle on, for example, layer 3, which we will color in a light yellow shade. We're left with the stroke option on, so we'll need to select the fill option to color the inside of the circle. Drag it to the upper right corner. And of course put outline none. Now we have 2 layers, we can keep those 2 layers like that, or simply from layer 3, turn off layer 2 beforehand. Select all colored objects. Click Edit, Cut. Let's go back to layer 2. Click Edit, Paste in place. Click on Object, Arrange, Send to Back. We no longer need layer 3, so we will delete it. We got a colored logo. That would be it for this short video, and I'll see you in the next one.